Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to take one live trade and will explain you my strategy so that you can learn as well as apply it in your live trading session. So first of all, we are gonna analyze the chart and then we will apply our strategy to take the trade, and I will explain you it in as easy language as possible. So first of all, let's analyze the chart. So I have zoomed out the chart, and for me the major trend is uptrend. So what we will do, we will try to stick with the trend as much as possible until and unless we have a great breakout in the opposite direction. So first of all, let me draw some levels, and this is a support level. Okay, and we will draw an area. So this is an area of support, and let me draw a trend line because this will work as a resistance. Okay, so now we have two levels, a support level and a resistance, and I can see a pattern of flag. So let's wait for a breakout and then we will going to place our trade. Right now market is consolidated, the price action is, you can see it's inside the box. So we will wait for the right opportunity and then only we are going to place our trade, because we need volume, a candlestick pattern, a good price action and a breakout. So let's wait, and as you can see market is at its support level. The previous candle was very strong, the volume was high, so in that case the market can or may break this level or otherwise will reverse, because market has only two ways to go. So we have to wait until, just wait patiently because this is very important. So as you can see market reverses again from that very level because the general trend is uptrend and this level is very strong. You can see it is holding the market for a very long time if we are talking about smaller time frames. So you can see clear rejections from that very same level for almost 4 times, which is making this level a strong level. But once it's broken, the market will continue to go in the downward direction. So it's a good sign for us because it is going to give us a good trading opportunity. So let's wait and watch for the breakout, and until then just watch the chart because I will update you once I will get a trading opportunity. So let's wait. Okay, right now market is again trying to break the level. So let's, okay, this is a good thing because you can see market was stuck in that box. Now it is trying to break the level. The volume is good, the candlestick pattern is also trustworthy now. So let's wait for the market to close below, then only we are going to place our trade, otherwise no. So as you can see this wick, the buyers are trying to push the market but are not able to. So let's wait, and okay, so you can see the market closes on that very level. So this is not a good sign and I will not going to place our trade because we need clear breakout, then only we will place our trade. So let's wait for a clear breakout. As you can see market reverses again because this was not a clear breakout, and that's why the market doesn't supported it, because this was indecisive nature. So let's wait. We only take trade when we are very sure, otherwise not. And as you can see market again, it's trying to go down, but I cannot see a good candlestick pattern Previously it was, but it closes inside the level, the support level, and the second candle was also a sign that market wants to go down, but I cannot see a clear indication, so we will wait and will stick to our strategy patiently. Market again reverses up, and let me increase the area till this level. So now we have this area of support. As you can see, market is approaching its resistance level, and okay, it's still not a clear breakout. So okay, you can see market stopped at that very level. It's a resistance zone. I need a clear breakout, which is, and one more thing what I am looking here is that this is also a resistance level, so we need a breakout of this resistance level, and if this candle broke this particular level, we are going to place our trade. So let's wait. Because market is trying very hard. Okay, it reverses again. The fight is going on. And here we also have a whole number level. And if you are new to this channel and don't know what are whole number levels, there is a video, separate video on this channel you can check out in the playlist section to understand what are whole number levels and what are my views over it. Okay, market again reverses downside. You can see it is consolidated, which is a good sign, because after consolidation the breakout gives us a good winning trade. In most cases, sometimes it doesn't work, but in most cases we got good trading opportunity when there is a consolidation phase, and this is a consolidation because market is moving inside this box for a very long time, and to release pressure it has to go in a particular direction. Let's wait for the market to decide which way it will going to go. So let's wait. Let me change our trend line. So now we have this new trend line. You can see we got 3 touches, which forms a good trend line, because at least we need 3 touches to form a trend line, and we got here, and we are covering the whole area because we need a clear breakout. So let's wait. Market is very indecisive now. So let's wait for the opportunity and then I will update you. So we have placed our trade here because we get a clear breakout here, and let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you the complete setup. So let's wait. So we have won this trade, and let me explain you the trading setup completely. So first of all, what I noticed in this chart was that market was moving in the upward direction, which was the major trend was uptrend, but I found out that market is now in its retracement phase and was consolidated. So I draw two levels, which was first the support levels and the second was this resistance level, because I know that we need a breakout in such cases. When there is a consolidation, we always wait for a clear breakout with a good candlestick pattern suggesting a good volume and price action. So first thing which I noticed was that this level was very strong because it has been retested 4 times. So if there is a breakout of this level, the market will continue to go in that particular direction, which was downtrend. So, and the second thing which I noticed, that there is a resistance level. I have drawn this trend line and this level was also working as a resistance. So I was also waiting if the market will break this level, but in this trading scenario, the market broke this support area, support zone, with a good candlestick. The volume was good. The previous candle was very strong, and this particular candle rejected from that very resistance level, and these 3 candles shows the strength of the sellers. The breakout was very clear. You can see it's a clear breakout. So I thought that the volume is good, the candlestick pattern are good, the level was very strong and is being broken. It means the sellers are motivated and the market will continue to go in the downward direction, and that's why I took a 5-minute trade. And as you can see, it's been 7 minutes and the market is still going in the downward direction, because this level was very strong and there was consolidation in the market. And whenever there is a consolidation, the market is in pressure, and to release pressure it has to go in a particular direction. In this trading scenario, it decided to go in the downward direction, and that's why I took this trade. So I think I have explained it completely, but if you still have doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and I will happy to help you out. And if you like this video and find value in these videos, make sure you follow us, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.